everyone, and welcome to the installation video for your IllumiAquashield screen protector. Today we're going to walk you through the steps for installation. We recommend performing the installation at night, before bed, to avoid waiting for the protector to dry. First, we're going to prepare a dust-free workspace to perform the installation. Having a messy workspace can ruin an otherwise clean installation. Make sure to wash your hands afterwards as well. In your IllumiAquashield package, you'll find a microfiber cloth, a bottle of installation spray, a squeegee, and your device's protector. Next, spray some installation solution on your microfiber cloth and clean the surface of the device. The non-toxic solution is made with mild soap and water and is not an adhesive. It is designed to leave no residue once dry and will allow the protector to glide on your screen for easier alignment during installation. Before peeling the protector off of the backing, spray your fingertips with the non-toxic soapy solution to minimize fingerprints appearing underneath the film during the installation. Now, spray some solution on the top side of your protector. This will help make squeegeeing the solution out from underneath easier. Gently peel the protector away from the backing while minimizing contact with the adhesive side. Spray a moderate, even coating of solution onto the adhesive side of the protector that covers all areas. Gently lay the protector down onto your device. The protector should glide freely along the surface. If the protector does not glide freely, carefully peel it off, spray another coat, and reapply. Center and align the protector to match your device's cutouts and edges. When you are satisfied with the position of your protector, use one hand to hold the protector while using the other to squeegee the solution out. Be careful not to stretch the film with excessive force and take extra caution to avoid squeegeeing solution into any open holes in your device, such as speakers, ports, or other sensitive openings. The protector may move during this process. If it does, stop and readjust the position before continuing to squeegee the solution out. The protector will become more difficult to move as the solution underneath is removed. Once the installation is complete, leave the device to dry for a period of 12 to 24 hours before turning it back on and using it. We recommend performing the installation before bed to avoid waiting. Microbubbles, streaks, or cloudiness may remain immediately after the installation, but these will disappear in a day or two. It's really that easy! If you have any problems with your installation or have any questions, our customer service representatives are standing by to assist you. Thanks for watching!